So this is how Musakil he's parked on a bed of snow. Yeah, what a beautiful sky. And you can hear my breathing. This is me settled, huh? And that was the guest house, Jamaica Paji. And just a small distance carrying my own stuff. Till here. And I'm panting like fuck. I'm at 3,600 meters above sea level, or approximately 12,000 feet above sea level. And a couple of days and I'm still not able to adapt. Yeah. And yeah, I'm a smoker, a light smoker, heavy smoker, or whatever. But still, oof. But I'll get used to it. Let's go. Alright, so it's around 10 a.m. 0 degrees dikha raha hai. And the car started at around 1100 RPM. No issues at all. And I think I'm gonna mount my camera on the rear end. And पहले क्वांट्स करके जगह है वहाँ चलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या मिलता है. Yeah, let's get the camera on. Well, can I say it again? Beyond gorgeous, beyond beautiful, say magnificent, or whatever you want to call it, in whatever language, wherever you are hearing it from the world. Let's shoot, click, boom, 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 beautiful, beyond. Let me wipe my screens. I think the water is frozen. My wiper windshield fluid is not working. It's frozen. Damn. Let me just stop and take a few pictures. Oof. So I've taken the turn from Kawang. The place is Kawang, Kawang. I didn't even know the name, and I've come in the unknown territory. It's Kawang. I'm going to Kawang. Kaza is on that side, and Kawang, is on this side while coming from Rangrig. So that's where I'm headed to right now, guys. Okay, let's see how it goes. Look at that beautiful spot. And we're crossing this bridge. It's frozen all over. -1 right now. That's what my car shows. And that's my little Hyundai on duty. God, oh my God, ये मैं कहाँ गया हूँ? I think it's so cold, my shoes are freezing. Let me put the heater on. Front, no, wait, my feet. Okay, little fuck up my feet. Auto. Na. The world around us, the world around us, the world around us, the world. Okay, I think I'm starting to see a very beautiful Kaza from here. That's what Rajiv Bhai was talking about. Let's continue to go. Let's see where we reach. So I've reached this spot. and I don't think I want to drive further ahead. Not in this little small car. Seems to be the last house somewhere. A beautifully constructed property though. I love it. And it's all white out right now here. I don't feel safe going ahead. I don't know what is ahead. It's all white. Not in this car. I need a 4x4. Don't see much ahead. But here I see the Casa. I think that's Casa. Let's do some photography and let's see where we are. But oh my God, where have I landed? I'm high as a kite right now. Long live the explorer spirit, man. What a beautiful world. What a beautiful world. Look at that. OMG. Can't stop shooting, guys. Can't help it. Okay, let's go now. Some snowboarding activity Rajiv Bhai was talking about. I can see some people there and some voices. So these are the slopes people are snowboarding from. It's right here. That's where sports activities are happening. Sweet. Okay, so मैंने अभी maps check करे हैं. I just checked maps, so there is nothing to be worried about. I think this track will lead us down that side to Casa, and then we're gonna climb that mountain and go towards Key Monastery. So let's continue going and see where we end up. Yeah, and let me go back and mount the camera. So it's been a smooth sailing till now. थोड़ा रफ के बाद it's been a tarmac, no issues. Let's see where we reach. मज़ा आ रहा है गाड़ी चलाने का. It's been fun drive, effortless for a small car as well. Some rough patches, but I don't mind. But you can see the scenery, the landscape. I mean, okay, I can't stop shooting. Okay, I guess I got confused with the road. This place is called Kewling, Kewling, and this is like the dead end of this particular track. At least this is what the map shows, and there was no trouble for my car to reach here. A bunch of houses, traditional style. I think I'll take a U-turn and go back to Kwang and where I came from and try and make my way towards Key Monastery, which is somewhere there. Casa on that side, and that's the end of the world on this side. Or at least that's what the map shows for the time being. So let's push off. But yeah, so ऊपर जाके देख सकते हैं, but लोग बाग already curious हो गए हैं. People are curious that who the fuck is here. Let's go, let's go. So this is where the road ends. I'm in a private property, no trespassing. Kewling करके. I mean, there's so many places where the road ends, but now this is where I'll start my camera again. So we'll see where we reach again. यहाँ से Casa तक का वीडियो बनाते हैं. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है, even though. This is Casa again from here. That's a very beautiful viewpoint we can see for Casa. Yeah. What a view! Look at this. Name again, brother?
My name is Sonam Bulbul.
Sonam.
हाँ जी.
And you are saying कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 week के लिए snowboarding
हाँ जी. हफ्ता 10 दिन के लिए.
हफ्ता 10 दिन के लिए होता है, क्योंकि उससे पहले भी स्नो जो है वो ज़्यादा होता है.
ज़्यादा नहीं, मतलब स्नो को बीट करना होता है ना,
अच्छा
और वो फर्म नहीं होता है, उससे पहले पाउडरी टाइप होता है।
अच्छा, उससे पहले पाउडरी होता है,
हाँ जी,
तो उस पर स्नोबोर्डिंग नहीं सूट करता
हाँ
है।
जी, ये मार्च में ही स्टार्ट होता है।
मार्च में स्टार्ट होता है,
हाँ जी,
और हफ्ता 10 दिन के बाद स्नो ज़्यादा
फर्म हो जाता है।
फर्म हो जाता है, फिर उस पर स्नोबोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं।
हाँ जी,
तो यहाँ पे मैंने सुना है कि पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड कम फॉर स्नोबोर्डिंग।
हाँ जी, काफ़ी लोग आते हैं अभी, जैसे जैसे लोगों को पता चल रहा है तब आ रहे हैं, नए नए लोग आ रहे हैं।
आ रहे हैं।
हाँ जी,
तो आई होप ये वीडियो और लोगों तक पहुंचे एंड पीपल फ्रॉम अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आल्सो जॉइन अस।
जी जी,
ठीक है।
हाँ जी।
एंड इज इट अ स्पोर्ट जो नए लोग सीख सकते हैं या छोटे बच्चे ही ज़्यादा सीख पाते हैं?
नए लोग भी सीख लेते हैं।
क्या मैं 40 ईयर्स की एज में सीख पाऊंगा?
जी जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
चलो मैं कोशिश करूंगा
काफ़ी टाइम
सीखने।
लग जाएगा, पर आप सीख जाओगे, हफ्ते में बेसिक सीख जाओगे आप।
हफ्ते में बेसिक सीख जाएंगे?
जी जी,
तो ट्रेनिंग यहाँ पे हो पाती है इनकी?
ट्रेनिंग, हाँ जी, हर साल कैंप लगता है यहाँ पे, कैंप शुरू होता है, वो हफ्ते के लिए चलता है।
अच्छा, एक हफ्ते
और
का
उसमें
कैंप होता है।
रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरह करना होता है फिर।
अच्छा, रजिस्ट्रेशन करके हम सीख सकते हैं।
हाँ जी,
चलिए, आई फाइंड मोर
यहाँ
इन्फो।
के लोग हम्बल है तो आपको सिखा देंगे साइड साइड।
अच्छा, देयर आर पीपल वी आर, आप भी बड़े हम्बल लग रहे हैं ब्रो, थैंक यू सो मच, सो काइंड ऑफ यू टू प्रोवाइड दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन। थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर।
ठीक है, सेम
Cheers
टू यू।
bro, best of luck. Yeah.
थैंक यू।
Well, I'm just trying to find some ways to kill some time while my camera charges so that I can capture some action footage. I was just talking to this boy, which you would have heard before this video, about snowboarding, and just trying to capture this flag here, which I have not seen before. What does it say? We will see later. And this is all an excuse to charge my action camera, which I want to mount before I start driving again. And this is Kawang, actually, a small village, and they have a school and everything here. Well, let me see how much my camera has charged, and then we'll start driving again. Okay guys, so that was the way जो कवांग से मैं आ गया हूँ वापस, and now I'm on my way towards Kaza, or we are going towards Key Monastery now, है ना, back on the main track. हम उधर से घूम के आए हैं अभी, and going towards the monastery now. Yeah, cheers. Super interesting. I think the landscape is changing in a couple of days itself. A lot of snow has gone away and the things have changed a lot. I would assume I would have to check my videos from last couple of days, but you can check and see whether it has changed or not. You know, I've crossed this point a couple of times and it seems a lot has changed, but maybe I'm mistaken because things are dynamic. Of course, summer is coming. Winter is coming is a different thing now. Summer is coming. Let's go, let's go. Look at this beautiful guys. Recharging. So you can see guys, pani na. There is ice in my bottle. पीने का पानी फ्रोज हो गया है. अभी 12 बजे. It's 12 in the noon, yeah, and the water is frozen in my bottle here. And I tried to top up my wiper fluids. I thought I had run out, but actually it's not running out. It's like frozen, so it's to the top, but I'm not able to top it. It's not flowing, so it's all frozen here. Yeah, I'm just sipping my coffee, listening to music before I head on to the next destination. So guys, मैं हिक्किम कॉमिक वाले रोड की तरफ चढ़ गया हूँ. की मोनास्ट्री बाद में जाऊँगा. पहले ये रोड मेरे को अच्छा लगा तो मैं इधर चढ़ गया. अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. बहुत ही सुंदर, लाइक एवरीथिंग एल्स. काजा नीचे बहुत प्यारा दिख रहा है. पीछे कैमरा मेरा चढ़ा हुआ है. काजा टू समवेयर करके वीडियो में डाल देना है. देखते रहना बाद में. रियर माउंटेड कैमरा. वाह, look at that. Let's keep going. Scenery guys. I don't think I need words, right? And the road. Oh, check that out, yeah. Here I am. Top of the world. Call it top of the world. Maybe a little. Yeah, let's continue. Sorry guys, can't stop shooting. That's Kaza, you can see there. Yeah, that's Kaza. Right now we are here. Enjoy the sceneries. Let's go. Check out guys. Oh, Hikkim. So we are on the way to Hikkim right now, and the sceneries are just incredible. Yeah. Check. Oof. I'm just climbing on the Vim right now. We will figure out later where we are, what is what, but let's just let the camera, let the lenses do the capturing, let it all go into the 0 and 1 for the time being. Yeah, let's see what we are getting. We will see later what is what here. Guys, I'm scared a little. The slush is too shitty. Or मेरे ख्याल से I think that's where I have to reach. I think it's the last leg. There's a car coming, and I stepped out to check. Here are my shoes. They're all muddy. My tires are sliding. I don't know what to do. I stepped out. Now I'm in the slippers, short of breath. I think I'll go a little further and see what the conditions are, and then decide, because it's difficult to take a U-turn as well. Fuck. Tougher and tougher as I'm going uphill. The mud is very sticky. Tires are not doing too well. I had to give pass to a vehicle. Took me a long time to let it cross, and even though the cab guy told me that there is no need to worry, there are a lot of vehicles on the top, so there are no chances of getting stuck. So that is a lot of confidence that there are vehicles which are gonna come down and they're gonna rescue me. So that's the rule of the mountains. So if there are vehicles on the top, they're gonna come down, so I can go with little conviction, because if I'm stuck, they have to make way to go down, right? So I will be kind of rescued, though that does not mean that I create trouble, right? You know, so I have to be a conscious citizen and be very careful not to create trouble for everyone else, right? So I have to go very carefully and make sure that road is open and clear for everyone else as well, right? Yeah. Meantime, look at this absolute gorgeous sight. Yeah. I hope my camera is doing justice. Whew. Oh, it's absolutely, I don't know what, but yeah, enjoy. And here's the road right now. It's a not dirt, but mud track. All the slush. I am not even driving, I'm waiting to get my breath together, and once I'm done with the pictures, I need to relax, and then I'll start driving again. Yeah, no panic. The car is sliding here and there. Okay, let's go. Here we are. A story from the past that needs to be told. I'll take a picture so that I can read sometime, somewhere. And here we are, somewhere on the road. Yeah, 111, right? This is where we are, 0 degrees. Let's go. तो कहीं तो पहुंच गई है भीड़ भाड़ में भाई गाड़ी. लॉर्ड ऑल्टो के अलावा हम ही खड़े हैं बस एक छोटी गाड़ी लेके इधर. ये छोटा सा गांव है और बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट हैं. I think this is where people kind of live. और that's the post office. जहाँ जाके हम टूरिस्टी काम करेंगे अभी. चाय वाय तो कुछ मिल नहीं रही है, but you get the point. point. Enough of touristy shit. चलते हैं बस नीचे. आखिरी गांव बहुत सारे हैं भाई, बहुत सारी रोडों पे है ना. हिंदुस्तान बहुत बड़ा, आखिरी गांव देखने के लिए बहुत आखिरी गांव देखे मैंने. गली गली का आखिरी गांव देखा भाई ने, है ना. नो नीड फॉर मोर आखिरी गांव. ओह फक, इतना सा चढ़ा हूँ यार मैं, एंड माई हेड इज स्पिनिंग. हाँ, I've just climbed from here to here and my head is spinning. So we are very high right now. High as a kite. Shit, I need to relax. Whew. Altitude. I can feel it. Oh, look at that. Basically, you buy your postcard and you bring it here. You can buy a stamp and they will put it here and they'll send the thing to wherever address you want to, right? I think I'm gonna skip the exercise. I'm gonna post myself from here to everywhere else in India. Alright guys, so I'm on my way back from Hikim. ऊपर से भी एक रास्ता घूम के लांग से जाता है, but I don't think I'm gonna risk it, not all by myself. But there is another route to लांग से जो कि सही है, जो नीचे से जाता है, तो मैं वहाँ से लांग से जाऊँगा अब. एंड देखते हैं कितना मज़ा आता है. Cheers, see you later. Finally guys, so I'm down from Hikim and I can see the tarmac now. This is the road to Langza village. From here we have the diversion. So now I'm gonna head towards Langza from here, and Kaza is down there. So let's go Langza now. Here you can see the tarmac. I hope the road is clear. Phew, this was tough. Now let's go the other side. Yeah, I think I'm about to get to Langza. It's been very smooth drive till here. The road is I would say absolutely perfect, but it's gorgeous. The car has been doing perfect. अभी अगला अपडेट लांगजा से देता हूँ आप लोगों को. सामने ही दिख रहा है शायद मेरे को, the Buddha statue and all. Yeah, I'll show you once I'm there. I think Langza is here, but the road is going further ahead. You know me, right? तो मैं रुकने वाला तो हूँ नहीं पहले. So I think I'm gonna go further ahead first, and probably then on my way back I'm gonna make a stop to Langza. Let's see what's ahead first. Yeah, onward and forward. Lucky from here, that's Langza for the time being. You can see the village. We'll come here later. I'm 7 kilometers from Comic and I think I'm scared shitless. The road is getting worse, but I think it's still manageable. Not the worst that I have been on. I think downhill is going to be okay till now. And the altitude is getting higher, oxygen is getting lower, temperature is 0 degrees. I'm breathless. My right leg, the one I'm using to accelerate, is kind of feeling the strain, but the show must go on. 8 kilometers to Comic, 7. I hope I don't have to turn back because of bad road conditions or something, because I am scared shitless, lack of oxygen and everything, and it's all white out. I have not yet met any vehicle which is coming downhill so that I can ask about the road conditions and if there is something up there which can rescue me. But fucking let's go on, let's drive on. Yeah, alright guys, so here we are. I am feeling at top of the world at Comic, the world's highest village, connected by a motorable road. Altitude, you can read. Highest village in the world connected with a motorable road. Silence sometimes is the best answer, Dalai Lama. Well, here we are at world's highest restaurant. Altitude 15,049 feet. Boom, ladies and gents. चाय मिलेगा चाचा? आलू है, कुछ मिलेगा? क्या बात है. So I'm at the world's highest restaurant having tea today. Unfortunately, the sky has become overcast. The blues are not blue anymore, but we'll have some food and then proceed from here. Yeah. Alright, so another touristy thing. Langze village or whatever. A slew of cars, but mission accomplished. Landed with my little kabutri. But let's check out the views and do some photography and buzz off. Beautiful place once again. That's the little Buddha. I don't think I'm gonna walk down there. Don't feel like it. Feeling too lazy. That's some sort of village there. You can see the Buddha from right here. I'm happy. Let's go that side. So that's the Buddha. Thank you, Didi. I don't have cash. Okay, so the sky is opening up. Beautiful again. That's the Buddha. I think I'll come here later. For the time being. अब तो अभी मन नहीं है उधर जाने का. But I love the views from here. That's it. I would have rather taken a picture from here. Here are all the Didis doing some business. Thank you, Didi. Thank you, Didi. अरे ये देखो गधा, इसका हेयर कट कितना बढ़िया है. Look at his hair cut. मशरूम कट बोलते हैं इसको ना. The man and his machine. Good way of putting it, yeah. And look at that. Ooh. What a moment. चलें. They have काजा की तरफ या की तरफ कहा जाती है दुनिया. Apparently there is a monastery here as well, जिसके अंदर मैं नहीं गया हूँ, but people are doing parikrama, and even though I have not been inside, but involuntary in a car itself I've done the parikrama because I entered from that side and I'm exiting from this side. So Jule, whatever the universe has in plan, so it's been done and we'll move forward to next destination. Look at all the drama in the sky, guys. Yeah. So I'm like 11 kilometers from Kaza right now, and 4:30. It's 0 degrees, but the views. Whew. Beautiful again, yeah. But now I think I'm getting used to them. Yeah, let's get on with it. Oh, look at that. So I'm back at this cafe where I had coffee and I've ordered a veg thali. अब खाना वाना खा के फिर की मोनेस्ट्री जाएंगे. शाम को बज गए हैं 5 एंड आई थिंक सनसेट का टाइम होने वाला है. की मोनेस्ट्री पे अच्छी फ़ोटोज़ आनी चाहिए. विल सी. इन द मीन टाइम कुछ खाते पीते हैं, फिर देखते हैं एनर्जी क्या आती है. मिक्स आ जाएगी चना कड़ी. ये मिल गए राजीव सर फाइनली.
फाइनली हम लोग
गुरुजी
पता
के
नहीं
दर्शन।
कितने सालों पहले मिले थे और कब मिल रहे हैं यार, समझ
और
में
कहाँ पे सर बैकड्रॉप?
कहाँ पे? बैकड्रॉप देखो, बैकड्रॉप देखो, ये
ओ यार मतलब यस, लो जी।
यो बैकड्रॉप एकदम। और ये भाई साहब भी ना अलग लेवल का इनका वो है enthusiasm और हिम्मत। i10 लेके चले हुए भाई, ये देखो, इसको भी दिखाओ, ये
मैजिक
दिखाओ।
कारपेट।
i10 भाई साहब, हिम्मत इसे कहते हैं भाई।
भाई क्या है, मैजिक कारपेट है यार। इट्स अ मोड में यू शुड हैव द सप्लाईज राइट, स्पेशली इन
सब
दीज
कुछ है, खाना,
hardcore,
कुकर,
हाँ।
चावल, आटा, दाल सब है मेरा पास।
इन कंडीशंस के लिए तो वी नीड दीज थिंग्स है ना।
यहाँ जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है मेरे
हाँ।
को। मेरे को वहाँ पड़ गई थी, क्या कहते हैं, डोडरा क्वाड में ना।
हाँ
यहाँ हर बंदा जानता है। तो किसी के घर में भी जाके थोड़ा सा भी बोल दोगे ना, अगर नहीं भी जानता होगा ना, बोल दोगे ना यार मैं टंडू का पार्टनर हूँ,
हाँ जी।
ओ टंडू भैया, सब रिश्तेदार हैं एक दूसरे के भी, यहाँ पे सब रिश्तेदार हैं।
हाँ
इतना ऐसे मैंने सेट किया हुआ है, बस एक आगे सीट रखता हूँ
हाँ,
कि कोई बैठ जाना होता है तो
मेक सेंस। चलो यार,
चलो मैं भाग।
घूम फिर के हम बैक टू जमैका पाजीज। आज का स्टे यहीं, की मोनास्ट्री एंड Kibber and all tomorrow. I'm so tired today, man. So much driving today. Extreme conditions. My brain is damn tired. I don't know. I can't think. I need to chill.